Right guys, we're here. We're set up. We're still not going to tell you how much it is a night because we can't believe it. We're a little bit in awe. As you can see, we've got... What's your name? What's your name?
Bobby.
Is it Archie?
Bobby.
No,
Your name's
I'm
Archie.
Grumpy. What's your name? Who's this?
Look,
A shark. And who's that?
Daddy.
And who's this?
Bobby.
And who's this?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's Archie. Yeah, so as you can see, we're here, chilling out. So we're going to go for a wander in a minute and then just show you around this place. Because Archie, are we going for a walk?
Yeah.
What are we going to see?
Look.
Yeah, we're going to see a shark apparently. See you guys in a minute. Bye. For what we've paid, this is phenomenal. This toilet block's actually closed today for one day because they're doing a lot of maintenance and upgrading or something. So we can't comment on those. But, as you see, it's beautifully kept. There's several play areas, that's one of them. And if you're a similar age to us, you remember a steel slide or bum burner. And we're going for a walk, but Archie's leaving me behind.
What is it, Archie? Helicopter!
Darling. Rich, we're going in the other one. It's up there. That's the reception building, is there?
Oh,
I think that's the island we went round.
this way.
This way, mister. No, we're not allowed. We've got to go this way. We go on there next time. Come on. There's one up here. I don't know. We got
Oh,
this.
look, I can see swings. Archie, come on. Are you going this way? This way?
Oh, just some fun toys.
Oh, we got a cheap chocolate. Oh, yeah. Tractor. $1.99. Oh, look, they're bigger ones. Trust you to find those ones. They're monster ones.
$4.99 now. Big hell tractor.
What? You gotta push it down and move it. It's not one of the ones that you... Put it back. Put it back, good boy. No, here. Here.
Archie, what's this? Yeah. Do you want it? Archie?
Archie, do you want one of those tractors?
No. Give up.
No.
No chance.
No. God, it's warm in here. Yeah, put it back. Come on. No, you can't put it back, darling. No, I know you can't. No. Ready? Come on. $3.99. I thought it was more.
He wants it.
Yeah.
Okay, he's a strange woman.
Yeah, I know.
Yes, darling. Oh, don't shoot me. Don't shoot Grumpy.
Oh, good.
So it's one of them. How much was that one?
I've no idea.
I thought you said how much.
No.
Oh, $3.99 cent price of them. Oh, careful.
No, no.
You can't have one of them as well. No.
Come on, mister. Archie, do you want a lolly?
I can.
Do you want a lolly?
I can.
Ice cream. They don't do
Lolly?
Look.
Hey, what's that?
Hey.
What is it?
Kidding.
Yeah. That's slushy drink. Yeah, you got an ice
You're
cream.
going to have to show the lady and your gun. You see if they picked up.
Yeah. I'll just
Put your gun
black.
up there.
Oh,
Wow. Things we got to do, eh?
What you got, Arch?
Lolly.
Is that an ice cream?
I got one.
Has Granny got one as well? Hmm.
They're behind the counter. Look. Hiya.
Very nice of your ice cream.
You saying hello to the lady? Oh, watch out, Arch, the lady wants to come in. Yeah, come this way. Right. Yay, well done. Come on then.
You want me to hold your gun?
Granny,
Don't you want it?
he wants to paper. Oh, he wants the green one.
Pick your gun up.
Where are we going, mate? We're going to have a look at there. And what's here? Quick, let's go and have a look. He says on the door, apparently. Arch, come on. There's a good boy.
Archie. Five o'clock.
What time is it?
5 to 5.
Oh, well, there we go then. Archie, do you think we should go to the smallest pub? What do you think? Shall we go to a really small pub?
5 minutes.
Yeah? Oh, oh, so oh no.
Far enough. What, darling? You can't go, it's closed.
It's too late now.
Closed. Sorry.
We're all going for our barbecues now.
Yeah, barbecue.
I'm having the sausages.
Come and have the sausages.
Don't you eat my sausages? You're not going to eat my sausages, are you? Where's Granny? Go and pull Granny's t-shirt. Oh, careful. Evening. You're right, bud. Get Granny. Go get her. That windbreak, I'm not surprised. I told you it wouldn't stay up.
Well, no, you didn't do it.
Yeah, yeah. Come on then. What's up?